Do you remember the goals that you have set for yourself at the beginning of January, even maybe a week ago? Hi, this is Linda G. Robert. I'm here to help you live your life, live your best life now, actually. And so if you live your best life now, you're going to love what you do. A few days ago, I set a new goal for myself, and that was to be open to relationships. And I shared that I went on a website and I created a profile and I took a course to be more open to finding a partner. Today, 3 days after I set that goal, I completely forgot that I had set that goal. I completely forgot that I truly want to be in a relationship. And that's why I'm asking you, do you remember the goals that you set out for yourself in January, let alone last week or this week? It's so easy to forget what our heart truly wants. So what do I need to do? Well, I need to remind myself daily of what my intention is. My intention is to be open to relationships. My intention is to be feeling like I'm in a relationship. I need to do that daily. Otherwise, my brain is not going to remind me of it. I need to tap into what I truly desire in my heart every single day. So today I had a really busy day. And at the end of my day, I decided I better listen to that course again. Because if I don't, I know that I can easily forget what's really important to me. So I listened to parts of it, and now I'm creating this video, in a sense, to be accountable to you. So do you have a partner? Do you have an accountability partner? Whether it's a goal that you set in January, or whether it's a goal you set last week, having somebody to be accountable to is really important. And that's where coaches come in, right? Coaches or coaching groups come in. So I am Linda. I am your Back in the Groove Again coach. I'm here to help you live your best life now so you can love what you do. If you need support with your goals, I've got a great program for you. It's called Accelerate Your Groove. It's a 90-day program. And you can get more information about that program by going to my website at backinthegrooveagain.com or by sending me an email. I'd gladly, send you more information about that program. Talk to you soon now. Bye.